How to fix game bar not opening. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that the game bar is enabled in the settings. The first method which you should try is to make sure that the game bar is actually enabled in your computer. To check whether the game bar is enabled or not, firstly open Settings app from Start menu. Now click on Gaming icon in the Settings app and it will open Game bar section. Alternatively, you can directly launch this page using another command in the Run dialog box. Now make sure that the Record Game Clips, Screenshots and the Broadcast using Game bar option is set to On. Now the other thing you want to do is to fix corrupted game bar settings using Registry Editor. Sometimes the game bar settings might get corrupted in Windows Registry. In such case, you will need to fix the settings using Registry Editor. Press Win plus R key combination to launch game dialog box, then type regedit and press enter. It will open Registry Editor. Click on Game DVR key and in right side pane, select all existing keys and delete them. Now try opening game bar using Win plus G hotkey, and Windows will automatically recreate all required keys in registry. If it doesn't work for you, then in the next step, what you can do is reset Xbox app using Settings. Open Settings app from the Start menu. Now click on Apps icon in Settings app and it will open Apps and Features section. In the right side pane, scroll down to bottom and click on Xbox app. It will show details of Xbox app. Click on Advanced Options link. Then again scroll down to bottom and on the Reset section, click on Reset button. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix game bar not opening. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.